Hello students, good morning to all. Hope you all are fine. From today we will start revision of grammar portion. I hope now you all have English grammar book. Those students who have purchased new grammar book, they will do their work in book, and those who are using old books, kindly note down all the exercises in fair notebook, and it is compulsory. Now, today I am taking chapter number 1, alphabetical order. Let's see the definition of alphabetical order. The order in which the letters of the alphabet appear is called alphabetical order. The order in which the letters of the alphabet appear is called alphabetical order. Now I hope that you know what are alphabets. These are called alphabets. ABC arrangement is called alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are alphabets, and the arrangement of these letters are called alphabetical order. So I hope what is alphabetical order, it is clear to you. Now let's take one example. Now here you can see few subjects names are given to us. Now here we have to arrange these names in alphabetical order. Now the first alphabet in alphabetical order is A. So let's see, is there any name with letter A? Yes. The subject name arts starts with letter A. So at number 1 we will write arts. Now next alphabet is B. Is there any name with alphabet B? No, there is no name with alphabet B. Now next alphabet is C. Yes, you can see here computer starts with alphabet C. So computer will come at number 2. Now next alphabet is D. There is no subject name with alphabet D. Now let's take alphabet E. Now here you can see English starts with alphabet E. So at number 3 we will write English. Then F, there is no name with letter F. Then G, there is no subject name with letter G. Then H, yes, you can see Hindi start with letter H. So at number 4 we will write Hindi. Now after letter H you can check letter I. Is there any name with letter I? There is no name with letter I. J, no name with letter J. K, there is no name with letter K. L, there is no name with letter L. Next letter is M. So here you can see mathematics. So first letter is M in mathematics. So mathematics will come at number 5. And now the last word is science. So after M you can see alphabet S is here. So at last we will write science at number 6. So now you can see all these subjects names are written here in alphabetical order. Okay. When you are doing alphabetical order, few points always keep in mind. Number 1 is, in case words start with same letter, take a look at the second letter in each word. It means if the first letter of all the words are same, so we will check letter number 2. Now here you can see B is same in all these 3 words. So now we will check letter number 2. Here in ball letter number 2 is A. In belt letter number 2 is E. and in bin letter number 2 is I. So we will check second letter to make arrangement. In case first two letters of the words are same, take a look at the third letter. It means if first two letters are same, you can see here in the example, first two letter here in the jacket, jam and jar. First two letters are same in all these words. So we will check letter number 3. Here letter number 3 is C, here M and here R. Right? So I hope concept of alphabetical order is clear to you. Now let's start exercise. Question number A. Question number A, page number 3 is write the names of any 6 fruits in alphabetical order. It means we have to write any 6 fruit names according to alphabetical order. Now how you will do this question? Now first of all you will take first alphabet, that is A, and think the name of fruit starts with letter A. So the first name comes in your mind is apple. So A for apple. So at first, at number 1 we will write apple. Now next alphabet is B. So with B, which fruit name comes in your mind? That is banana. So at number 2 you will write banana. Then next alphabet is C. So with C, the fruit name comes in our mind is coconut. So at number 3 we will write coconut. Okay. Now here you can see I wrote 6 fruit names in the alphabetical order. Now after coconut, there is no fruit name with alphabet D, E, F, which easily comes in our mind. So we will take next alphabet, that is G, and we all know G for grapes. After G, I took alphabet K and K for kiwi, and then L for lychee. So this way we will write all fruit names in alphabetical order, 6 fruit names with alphabetical order. Now let's see question number B, page number 3.